Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English. My name is John.
And I am Anna. Hello, everyone.
How are you today, Anna? You sound a little sad.
Yes, John. I am very frustrated today. Learning English is just so hard.
Oh, no. Why is it hard?
Because my English is so slow. Yesterday, I met a foreign customer. He asked me a simple question, and I just froze. My brain completely stopped.
Oh, you froze. I understand. It is a terrible feeling. What happened in your head at that moment?
Well, when I speak, I think in my language first. I panic. I search for the Vietnamese word. Then I translate to English. Then I open my mouth. It is too many steps. It is exhausting.
You are translating. Yes, I understand completely. Please don't be sad, Anna. Many students do this. But you are right. Translating hurts your brain, and it is very slow.
Yes, the customer was waiting, and I felt so embarrassed. So, what can I do, John? Please, how can I speak faster?
Today, we will learn a big secret. We will learn how to train your brain to think in English. No translating, just pure English.
Think in English? Like a native speaker? Wow. But is it difficult? My English is only A1.
No, it is not difficult at all. It is easy and it is actually fun. I will hold your hand and show you how. But wait, before we start our training...
Oh, I know. Everyone, if you want to stop freezing and speak faster, please click the like button below and subscribe to Daily English. We are here to help you.
Thank you, Anna. Now, let's train your brain. Okay, let's start. Tip number 1. Think in small sentences.
Small sentences? What does that mean? Like, apple?
No, apple is just one word. One word is not enough. A sentence is better. Look at this cup on the table, Anna. Do not just think, cup. Think, this is a cup.
Ah, this is a cup. That is a full sentence.
Exactly. Or you can think, the cup is white. The cup is on the table. You look at things and you make a very small, simple English sentence in your head.
Let me try. I will look out the window. Okay, I see a car. I think, I see a red car. The car is fast. Perfect. You did it.
You did not translate. You looked at the car and you used English words directly. Let's practice more. Imagine it is morning. You wake up. What do you see?
Let's see. I open my eyes. I see my phone. I think, where is my phone? Oh, the phone is black.
Very good. Then you go to the bathroom. What do you think?
I wash my face. I think, the water is cold. I brush my teeth.
Excellent, Anna. Do this every day. On the bus, at home, in the park. It is okay if they are just baby sentences. Connect English directly to your real life.
I really love this. Tip number 1, think in small sentences every day.
You are doing great. Now, tip number 2, input. Input means the English you listen to and the English you watch.
So, should I watch long, boring grammar videos?
No. Please don't. Learning must be fun. If it is boring, your brain will cry and go to sleep. Listen and watch things you truly love in simple English.
Things I love? Well, I love cooking, and I really love listening to music.
Great! Let's talk about cooking. Watch simple cooking videos on YouTube, but in English.
But how does that help me think in English?
Because you see the action. The chef says, I cut the tomato. And at the exact same time, you see his hands cut the red tomato. Your brain connects the English word and the real action immediately. No translation needed.
Wow. So my eyes and my ears learn together naturally?
Exactly. And you like music, right? Find simple pop songs. Songs have rhythm. They repeat words again and again into your heart.
Like, I love you like a love song, baby?
Yes, exactly like that. When you listen to simple songs or easy podcasts like Daily English, your brain learns the beautiful melody of English.
I understand now. I will watch English cooking videos tonight with a big smile.
Awesome. Now for the last step. Are you ready for tip number 3? It is output. Output means speaking out of your mouth.
But John, this is the hardest part. I am alone at home. I don't have a foreign friend. I feel stupid talking to myself.
That is not a problem. You don't need a partner. You can speak to yourself.
Speak to myself? Talk to the wall? People will think I am crazy.
No, they won't. You do it in private. Do it in your bedroom or when you are taking a shower. The shower is a safe place to practice.
Okay, but why?
Because you must speak out loud. Your ears need to hear your own English voice. It builds your courage and confidence.
What do I say to myself? I don't know what to talk about.
Describe your world. Tell me about your room right now, Anna. Speak out loud. Don't be afraid.
Okay, I will try. This is my room. The bed is big. The bed is white. I have a computer on the desk. The computer is black. I see 2 chairs.
Excellent. Keep going. Tell me how you feel today.
I am tired, but I am happy to learn English. Today is a good day. I ate chicken for lunch.
Wow, Anna. That was fantastic. Tell me, how does your brain feel right now?
It feels warm. It feels alive. It feels like it is working out at the gym. I look at the bed and I just say, bed. I didn't think about the Vietnamese word at all.
Yes, that is true success. This is how you build English in your brain. Speak to yourself every single day.
John, these 3 tips changed my mind completely. Tip 1, think in small sentences. Tip 2, watch and listen to things I love. Tip 3, speak out loud to myself bravely.
You have a beautiful memory.
But John, I have one last question. Will I speak English fast tomorrow morning?
No, Anna, I must be honest with you. Learning a language is a slow journey. Your brain will not change in one day. And you know what? That is completely okay. Please, be patient with yourself.
How much time should I practice?
You don't need to study for 2 hours a day and make yourself tired. Just 10 or 15 minutes. But you must do it every day. Small, happy steps.
And what if I make a mistake? What if I say, I is happy? Will people laugh at me?
Mistakes are beautiful. Mistakes mean you are trying. Do not be afraid of them. If you make a mistake, just smile, forgive yourself, and say, I am happy.
Okay, I will be brave. I will not be afraid anymore. I am happy today. Inhaling deeply, radiant smile.
You did a wonderful job today, Anna. And to everyone watching,
we have a very important question for you.
Yes, it is homework time. Please leave a comment below the video and tell us, what do you do to train your brain?
Yes, tell us. Do you listen to English music? Do you watch cooking videos? Or do you speak to yourself in the shower? We want to read your beautiful comments.
Practice your English right now in the comments. And if this video touched your heart, please like and subscribe to Daily English.
Keep practicing, stay positive, and thank you for trusting us. See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone. We love you.
Bye-bye.